Guys, so today I am making this video on the no makeup look, which is requested by many of my friends. So this is the look, as you can see, and I have used very basic products, and I have used no beauty blender and like very less amount of brushes. So this will be a very easy tutorial meant for everyone, and so let's get started. Let's watch the video.
So I'm starting with concealer. I will be concealing the pigmented areas, especially under my eyes and around my mouth. Now I'm blending the concealer with the help of my fingers. I'm not using beauty blender. Now I will set my concealer with the help of a banana powder. If you do not have a banana powder, you can also use a baby powder. Concealer is set, so moving on to base. I'm taking moisturizer and then I will be mixing little bit of foundation in it. The ratio is such that with 2 pumps of moisturizer you have to take 1 pump of foundation. I'm mixing it very well with my fingers. Now I'm applying it on my face. I'm using my fingers only because it is basically moisturizer based and it melts in my skin, so I don't need any beauty blender for extra blending. The base is very sheer and it does not give any high coverage, but with this no makeup look, we like to go natural. We don't need any high coverage. So as you can see, the base is done. Not all my spots are covered. There are still marks left on my face, but it looks natural. It looks skin-like, so that is the motive behind keeping it natural. Now I'm applying a little bit of lipstick as my blush. For those who do not have blushes, this is a very useful hack. You can apply lipsticks as your blush. I'm blending it with my fingers only. I'm taking a little bit of the same lipstick and applying it on the bridge of my nose. It gives me a flushed look. As you can see, these spots are still visible because, as I said, the foundation did not give that much coverage as it was mixed with moisturizer, but it gives a skin-like finish. So I am applying a little bit of highlighter on my nose now, and then I am taking some highlighter and putting it on my cheeks. So that's all with the base. Now I'm drawing my eyebrows. Eyebrows are an essential part of this whole makeup look because we are not doing much with the base, so we have to do something on our eyes. After the eyebrows, I have taken a kajal pencil and then I'm putting it on my waterline. and also on the outer corner I will be drawing a slight wing. Now one of the most important part is mascara. I'm putting mascara on my lashes. You can already see the difference. Now I'm taking a little bit of highlighter and putting it on the inner corners of my eyes. It just makes your eyes pop. See how simple and beautiful the eye makeup is. It is not much, but it really looks so natural and nice. Now for the lipstick, I am applying a deep pink shade on the inner side, and then I'm taking a pinkish nude color and applying it on the outer side. This gives a natural color to the lip. Now I'm setting my face. If you don't have setting spray, you may skip this step. So this is the final look. Here I am showing the before and after results. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you.